In this video today I'll show you how you can get paid with some free websites. They are available worldwide and pay you in PayPal money. All you need to do to make them work properly is to follow me attentively till the end of this video so you can get every instruction right. But as always, before I start with this tutorial, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aidinemia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified every time we upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content and you like to see more, then give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion. With all of that said, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. And since I'm going to give you multiple platforms, just make sure to keep watching, because if you skip ahead you may get lost and confused. So the very first website that I want to give you is this one here called Pico Workers. This is over at picowrokers.com. You're going to see that they offer small gigs but also big results. And let's see what you need to do on here in order to make money. You're going to be a freelancer over here, and you're going to take a survey to write a honest review, test an app, write an article and get paid. Pico Workers or Pico Workers, I don't know how to pronounce that correctly, is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners. Businesses who need other people to help them to support their work come here to this website, and they can hire workers for easy and quick jobs. So you are going to be a worker over here in order to get paid again and again. And this is how small gigs work. You're going to see that you can select the jobs that you like. You're going to explore the required tasks. Then you're going to complete the tasks and you're going to send required proofs. After you do that, you're going to get paid for that job. So you're going to deliver your work and get paid, and you're going to see that these tasks are easy to do and require little time to finish. And some of the jobs, just like we mentioned before, are like taking a survey, categorize images, help promote content, and many others. And you're going to get paid immediately after your task is reviewed. You don't need to wait a month or more in order to get paid. You're going to see that you can even get paid by promoting this platform. You're going to earn a 5% from a referral. You're going to sign up in order to get your link, of course. So what you need to do here is to create an account for absolutely free by clicking in the sign up button up here, and then you're going to just put your real name, an email address, a password, confirm the password, put a nickname. You're going to select your country, and here you're going to see that this works all around the world. Then you're going to select here that you are a worker, and then agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and click on sign up. Something else I want to show you are the payment proofs that you can also check out by yourself by clicking on freelance and earn section up here. It's going to take you over to this page where you're going to see that they offer really big results. People have made the total earnings of even more than $1,000, as you can see that person, and as you can see also this refreshes every couple of seconds. You're going to see that someone has made even almost like $2,000 with this platform, and they are from anywhere in the world, as you can see here the flag. So people are getting paid through their preferred payment method. You have PayPal, just like I promised you at the beginning of this video. You have Skrill, they are getting paid even in cryptocurrency and so on. So you can select your preferred payment method and you can get paid by doing those small tasks. So the first platform was called Pico Workers. Let's proceed to the second one, which is very similar to this one, and this is called Rapidworkers, and it's over at rapidworkers.com. You're going to see over here that you're going to complete also some tasks. You're going to see that workers are very happy and they are compensated promptly. So Rapidworkers is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 of workers, and you're going to be one of them. This team helps individuals, small businesses and professionals in order to create some low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns in order to increase sales, to help them in a better ranking and so much more. So you're going to be a worker over here, and this employer employers ask you to blog about their product, to post reviews to websites and blogs, to add you to Facebook, to become fan of a group, to follow someone on Twitter, and so on. And also you're going to just browse those micro jobs, you're going to select the jobs that you like, finish the tasks and submit proof, and then you're going to earn money. And you're going to see that this is very similar to the first platform that I showed you today. And the payment methods available are PayPal. As you can see, you're going to get paid through your bank account, MasterCard and Visa. And in order to get started with it, you just need to click here on sign up now. Since you are a new member, you're going to just put your name, your email address, a password. You're going to choose your country over here, and this is also available all around the world. You need to just confirm that you're not a robot, and then you're going to agree to these above statements, and you're going to see that you cannot use any other VPN, you cannot have multiple accounts, and you cannot do jobs that are not for your country. So you're going to find the jobs that are particular to your country. Then you're going to create your account, just explore the jobs and complete the tasks. Then you're going to just send proof, and you're going to get paid again and again. So something else that I want to show you is another platform that you can get paid by doing some easy tasks. This is over at grabpoints.com. You can get free gift cards for watching TV, answer surveys, and also completing offers. You're going to see over here how it works. Advertisers pay Grab points for engagements, and then they recruit members like you. And you're going to do these online activities like watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and many much more. You're going to earn free gift cards, but also PayPal cash. So even this platform pays you PayPal, just like I promised at the beginning of this video. You have all of the gift cards displayed over here, and you also have a live feed of people that are getting paid every couple of seconds over here through their preferred payment method. Something else that I want to show you by Grab Points are the reviews over at Trustpilot. You can check them out also by yourself, and you're going to see over here that they have excellent reviews with 4.8 stars and more than 1,600 of reviews, which is pretty good actually. All you need to do is to join for absolutely free by putting an email address, a password, confirm the password, click on the sign up button, or you can sign up with Facebook and with Google, which is much easier. And also another similar platform to Grab Points is this one here called My Points. Even over here you're going to earn points that you can redeem for money, of course, but also you can get cash back, up to 40% cash back with every purchase that you do in more than 2,000 of top retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, and so on and so forth. As you can see over here, you can also get paid to answer surveys besides getting cash back, which is pretty good actually. And you're going to redeem those points for gift cards, and you're going to also get paid in your PayPal account with cash. So you can get started right now, and you can get like a $10 Visa gift card or $10 Amazon gift cards. You just need to put your email address, a password, and click on join now. So these were the platforms that I wanted to show you today. You can combine all of them in order to maximize your results and earn the most money. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. Just give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.